I'm author AJ McMarson, and this is Real Time. There's a lot of magic in science. There's a lot of science and magic. Put it together, what have you got? You've got geek magic and a whole lot of material for some good stories. You're probably wondering what that sound is. That is the sound of a planet chasing the sun. Now, Dean Foster from Star Trek, he would know all about that. The orbits that you can give these balls are something like the orbits of planets around the sun, except the planets move in flat orbits. The closer a planet is to the sun, the faster it moves along its orbit. Final Empire by Brandon Sanderson uses a lot of metal, and in the metals are a whole lot of different magnetic forces. Magnetic forces repel each other, and so you get the power of the force. Look at that! That just won't touch. Force be with you. Curved mirrors can distort your appearance in several ways. Images can be larger, smaller, upside down, and even multiplied, depending on the type and amount of curve and on your distance from the mirror. You are looking through one mirror at another mirror. You see a reflection of the mirror you are looking through, and then a reflection of a reflection, and so on. The reflections gradually get greener because glass absorbs other colours of light more than green. I suppose, like most other people, you've probably been wondering what it must really be like in Sydney Newman's TARDIS in Doctor Who. Would you like to see? You can see into infinity and beyond. Circuits, cogs and wheels, neutrons, electrons have always inspired the imagination, and so it did for The Time Machine, written by H.G. Wells. Like acid in a car battery, the sweat on your hands reacts with the metals The two different metals react differently, and this makes a small electric current flow along the wires through your body and through the meter. Patterns can be found anywhere in nature. We like to study them and use them in all our creative pursuits. William Gibson was inspired by patterns when he wrote Pattern Recognition. Knew all about making waves when she wrote Arctic Rising. When you move the tube, you give the liquids energy. In liquids, kinetic energy, or energy of motion, spreads out in the form of waves. Bigger waves carry more energy. How does a whirlpool form in water? A revolving current in water can form a whirlpool. As the water speeds up, the pressure in the centre drops until air rushes into the swirling water column. And who could forget Roald Dahl and his chocolate factory, where one of his characters gets sucked down into the chocolate river. Inspiring stuff. Lots of material for the next book. I like that. And thanks for liking this real time.